If your basement kitchen sink is causing sewer water to bubble up, you've probably got a clog or venting problem that needs sorting out fast. So, first off, try snaking the drain line under your basement kitchen sink. That usually clears out any blockages causing the backup. If you don't own a drain snake, you can rent one from a local hardware store or even grab a simple hand auger for smaller jobs. Another thing is to check if the vent pipe on your roof is blocked. This vent lets sewer gases escape and helps drain water flow smoothly. If it's clogged with leaves or debris, air can't move properly, and that causes water to come back up. Also, avoid pouring grease or food scraps down the sink, because they build up in pipes and lead to clogs over time. Make sure your drain trap under the sink isn't damaged or loose, as this can let sewer smells and water leak back into your basement. If snaking doesn't do the trick and you're still seeing water come up, it might be time to call a plumber to inspect the main sewer line for blockages or damage. Sometimes tree roots grow into underground pipes, causing backups, and that needs professional attention. Keep an eye on how often this happens. If it's just when you use the basement kitchen sink, that's a big clue about where the problem lies. One of the most common mistakes people make with basement sewer backups is ignoring slow drains, which usually means something is clogging up the pipes and will only get worse if left alone. Fix this by snaking or cleaning the drain regularly. Another big issue is not checking the vent pipes. Clogged vents cause pressure problems in your plumbing and lead to water bubbling back, so keep those vents clear by inspecting them yearly. The third mistake is DIY fixes without knowing what's wrong, like pouring harsh chemicals down the drain. They can damage pipes and won't solve root blockages. Instead, rent a snake or call a professional plumber who can diagnose the real cause. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like sewer backups. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who need their skills right in their area.